Yeah, good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel. We are presently working on a Fiverr account, a freelancing site. The last video was how to create accounts for uploaded successfully. So the next video is how to create Fiverr gig. But before you jump to creation of Fiverr gig, there is something that is very important in creating a Fiverr gig. Very important, which is um Fiverr. So there is something important before you can create Fiverr gig, which is Fiverr image creation. Fiverr image creation. So it's very important because if all these guys that you are seeing, they create this image by themselves. Let me view one of the image. This he created it by himself. This one this video. So he created it by himself. So if you want to get to the rank and you want to be at the first page of Fiverr, you have to try and create a gig by yourself. You can put your image, you can use any image, you can use your own image. So today's now good. I'm going to be guiding us on how to create our Fiverr gig image by ourselves without even copy on anybody online. So let's go straight to this tutorial. I think the tutorial must not be more than 5 minutes highest. So let's go to this canva.com. Canva.com is a place whereby it's just meant for design. If you don't have design skills, maybe you don't learn it from someone and you want to be doing it, you can come straight to canva.com. Once you enter the canva.com, create an account, create free account. They have pro account, you can upgrade to pro account. Once you're on canva.com, just click on design. There are a lot of things on Canva, thousands of things, thousands of designs. You just have to select it, edit. Just little editing. So this one we are doing presently now is just you could see YouTube channel, art, YouTube channel, thumbnail, Facebook, flyers, nothing, everything is there. But this tutorial I want to create for Fiverr gig image. I'll be using a customized site for myself, just to make sure the thing is well developed. You want to create Fiverr gig image, the width and height to use is 410, 5710, 410. Then you click on, make sure this one is on PX. Then you click on create design. You can even offer a logo design, flyers on Fiverr, and come directly to Canva and design it for the buyer, and then send to them. They will accept. They will surely accept. So, wow, hold on. What's wrong with the design I choose? Yes. Let me hold on for me. Let me check again. Yeah, the mistake I made earlier is that instead of choosing 410, I choose 41. So I didn't have the back is 0. So once you click on it, you input your dimension. Once you input your dimension, there are a lot of design already made design. You can just edit. That will be work well with gig image creation. So this please just I will be teaching us on how to work on Canva very well, just to be an expert. There are a lot of things you can do with Canva, editing image, changing the background, everything. I'll be there. Yes. Is it this one? You can use it for gig creation image. This one is good. This one is good. So this one is good. I've used this on my YouTube channel. Also, most of the image I use on my YouTube channel, and I've seen them. So a lot of design is there. Once you put on the dimension, a lot of design is there. If you take any of the design and you use it, it's good. So I don't want to take much of our time. Let me just pick a design and let's just work it out, please. Just pick a design and work it out, and then we are going to use for in creating our gig image. That will be the next video. So let me just go front, go up there, Okay, you can also select business, get the green, go college, nature, health, event, code. Thank you. Okay, let's go for business. Okay, let me go for business. See, if you are doing brand name, business name, just select. You can see. So this is it. You can see the only thing else is editing. You can change this or you go pictures and put your own pictures. You can change that and put your own pictures. This place I'm going to put my name, my Fiverr gig name. So how to launch your business, you could see. So what I'm offering on Fiverr, what I'm doing on Fiverr is an e-commerce. E-commerce, you can just come here. If you don't know what to type, you can just check through people that are offering your gig and copy them. E-commerce promotion. I don't want this video to be long. Wow. Okay, so that's it. The first store, marketing store. Okay, you can just copy from this best Shopify marketing. You could see best Shopify marketing. You can just anything that just talk about what you are doing. So just talk about that. You can even go to Google, download their Facebook, all those things, their image, and you put it. I'm going to input one or two. So you can just write all this e-commerce marketing, Shopify marketing, promotion. Okay, let's use this guy. Let's use this guy as an example. Okay, let me just copy this and let me put it here. Okay, so let's start with the design. Just so you can search Shopify marketing promotion, marketing promotion. Just place it to. It's easy to use. It's easy to use. Just drag and drop. That's all. So no marketing promotion. To make sure this thing drop down. Maybe I want to do. Okay, no, doesn't make sense like that. Just leave it this way. Leave it this way. Shopify. You change the color. Add the color to be red or something different. Let me use red color. Okay, let's see if red goes well with it. So not bad. So this is Shopify marketing promotion. Shopify marketing and promotion for Shopify. So Shopify marketing and promotion. Okay, can do it this way. Shopify marketing. Let me just use let me just freestyle it here. No marketing. Shopify marketing. Okay. Can you click on text? Drag the text. Okay. So marketing and promotion. Okay. Bold it, drag it. So drag it here. Drag it. Implementation marketing and promotion. Let's leave it to this black. So I want to use promotion for your marketing, Shopify marketing and promotion for your Shopify store. Okay. For your Shopify store. Okay. So we input the 26.9. So that's it. Okay. Let's put it. I want it to be like this also. Let's put it. Good. Let's use another color for it. Another color. Let's use like green. Go for let's see it's going. Okay. Blue doesn't go well. Blue doesn't go well. Black. Okay. I want us to use mixed color. This doesn't go well also. you should use white. White should go. Okay, white is cool. So I want to drag this business. Let's drag this business out. We don't even need it again. I want us to use it. I just want us to use it. Listen. So this is here. Where is the business? Drag the business now. Then I want us to put something in this business. Yes. Okay. Promotion now. You can put promotion now. Just just walk through the site if you like it. Promotion now. Promote now. Just put promote now. Then the size is to like 40. So okay, make 35. Okay, we could see. So promote now. So this place, you're going to put your Fiverr username. I think our name is my anti something. I forgot. Just click on profile. It should be somewhere around this place. So anti promoter. Anti promoter. Don't want to take much of our time. I will have remove this image. You click on delete. Then click on upload. Click on uploading. Then drag your image. Okay, let me even do it. Delete. Then drag this image here. You can see my image is there. Okay, I just want to drag it. Let me drag it first. Okay, let me drag it first. You see, that's what I'm saying. So my image is there. Nobody can use this image. Once this is converting, it belongs to me because my picture is there. You can see. So let's use this. So that's all for the design. What next is just going to upload it on the Fiverr account. That will be on our next video. How to upload on how to upload. If you want to save, come to download, click on share, click on download. Click on download, select JPG, then click on download. If you are loving this tutorial, please like, share, refer to your friend, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.